we will be going and meeting the Honorable Home Minister and placing our demands and placing the necessary points that we have from our side to the Government of India for necessary action.
Will you be calling off the second round of border talks following the incident?
The talks, of course, the incident that happened is an incident that had not got a direct connection with the border talks as such. And obviously the border talks are very important for us. But given the current situation and the current time and this particular incident that happened, it has affected the overall situation. And hence, at this point in time, how things were in the past is not going to be the same. And therefore, we need the confidence building. What kind of actions will be taken as we move forward? What kind of different steps will be taken? And how we will be able to make sure that justice is done? All these will determine the future course of action. And hence, we expect that both Government of India and Government of Assam will take the necessary steps to ensure that justice is done. And based on those situations and those demands and those actions being taken, we will discuss and we will decide the further course of action.
Can you tell us about the presence of our Meghalaya police personnel there? It appears as were they there?
There were Meghalaya police was present out there, but the numbers were not as big as the Assam counterpart because the situation was unexpected. We never expected the situation to be there. The recent sanctioning of the Boroto outpost, which has been done, was supposed to be inaugurated on 25th of this month. And right before that, this incident has happened. And knowing the sensitivity of the location, we had sanctioned the Boroto outpost precisely because we knew that this kind of situations and tension is always there in that area. And hence, the numbers were lesser. And as I said, this is completely unprovoked. And as I mentioned earlier, that the Assam police were pursuing some trucks carrying timber, and that pursuing led to them coming into Meghalaya, against which the public had reacted and surrounded, and in large number they had come out, and that's what led to this firing taking place.
Can you tell us, Mukroh, where does it stand? Is it disputed? Is it...
Absolutely not. There is no dispute in the Mukroh village. And in fact, as I mentioned, the incident where it happened was very much within Meghalaya. Yes, I have spoken to the Assam Chief Minister this morning, and I briefed him about the incident. He is also aware about the incident. And our discussion was very brief. And he has assured that whatever can be done from the Assam government side and whatever cooperation is required for any kind of steps to be taken or any kind of inquiry to be done, that he will be there and he will support. Regarding the inquiry, I don't want to discuss that immediately because it will be put up in the cabinet. And this evening we will share with you after the cabinet meeting approves the discussions that we have put on the paper and put on the agenda for the cabinet meeting. Once we approve it, I will be sharing that with you post the cabinet meeting today.